Hello po, let's eat. So, meron po tayo ditong seafood na may corn, broccoli, shrimp, and Alaskan king crabs. So, ito yung niluto ko yesterday mga youths. So, meron akong, nakadalawang Tupperware ako sa niluto ko. So hanggang ngayon meron pa ako. So, ito muna ang kakainin natin. Isang Tupperware, tapos tomorrow naman yung isa. So, meron tayong peanut butter. So, ayan, galing yan sa Texas Roadhouse. Noong kinainan namin ng may steak with potato, with sweet potato. Itong mani na to, free lang to. So, nakadalawang sachet. Nagdala si Nana. Tapos kumain na rin ako ng isa doon. Tapos meron tayong apple. Mag-move partner.
My baby has that.
So, let's eat.
No, that's blue.
Magbalat na ako ng mani.
This is
So,
blue.
malaki naman yung laman ng mani nila. So, yun ang lukat ng mga mani nila. Yung laman ng mani, malaki. So, let's eat.
Yeah, that's baby blue.
Good choice.
That's brother
Ah.
baby. Brother.
Mm.
That's his spot, right? Yeah, but my baby needs to lay next to him. Okay, what's
So,
here?
yung hipon. So, yung
I don't know what it is.
shrimp.
Oh.
Ito yung mushroom. Yung mushroom.
So that's the here. Where's baby blue? Hey,
Then,
baby blue, brother baby. come
broccoli.
Lay down. I'm gonna put my baby right
Mm.
here. Why? I'm gonna fix this.
Then, nadurog yung ano ko.
Walking
Alaskan king crab.
the Wixel house. Okay, the cat, dog, horse, spider.
Ito yung Alaskan king crabs na, ayan, nahimay-himay na nung niluto ko.
I say, where's baby blue? Small one. I don't know.
Hindi ako kumain sa backyard kasi ang ganda ng ano, background, yung mga puno. Ito yung malaking puno dito sa background. Ito yung broccoli natin.
This is my baby. Let's go. She's the ow. Ow, she's the ow.
The Alaskan king crabs.